Welcome back to Yates American J180 restoration. Rust removal is proving to be a not very popular topic.
But I've got all this footage, so here we go.
This is another linkage from the machine. This end has a knob on it, and it's got these teeth that engage with a plate to adjust the tension on an idler pulley for the flat belt. I'm having to use one of my skinny bicycle wrenches to get these lock nuts separated. These are all the drive roller spring adjustment components. They're pretty rusted, but they're not nearly as bad as the ones from the first machine I got. So I'll use a wire brush and get the heavy stuff off, and then soak it in the Rust-Oleum. Seems kind of odd, doesn't it, that rust remover requires water to rinse it off. After all that, here are the feed roll pressure system components. These are the chip breaker weights from the two machines. This is the first machine that I got, and this is the second one. Gee, I wonder which one I'll use. This chip breaker weight bar was pretty pitted and rusted. All cleaned up.